Hey y'all, this is Angie. Welcome back to my old country kitchen, where today we're going to be making a strawberry shortcake poke cake. And we're going to use Dolly Parton's cake mix. We all love Dolly, don't we? Yes, we do. And you're going to need this, and a strawberry pie filling, and some more ingredients that are in the fridge or the freezer. So let's get our kitchen tools and ingredients and let's make this. I hope you're hungry. Cinnamon's such a sweetheart. She's got what I need out on the table here. Cake mix, strawberry pie filling or topping. I got some frozen strawberries. I cut those up and frozen weeks ago. I need to let them thaw out. And of course, we got some whipped topping. And here's a closer look at the recipe. Of course, I'm gonna go over it with you. Okay, let's empty our cake mix in this big bowl. You'll need 4 large eggs. And yes, I cracked my eggs with a butter knife. Only thing I hate about recipes are these messy eggs. But we need the eggs for the recipe. Makes our cake real moist and flavorful. A cup of milk. Half a cup of melted butter. And we're gonna go ahead and stir this up. See you in a bit. Batter is mixed up and we're ready to get the baking pan. I got the oven preheating 350 degrees for 40 minutes, and we're gonna oil or spray the pan with some oil, spray, whatever you got. Make sure you coat the pan. So, right on in there so we can get our cake baked. Good old Dolly Parton recipe cake. Batter is almost ready to go in the oven. So we got our cake batter in the oven, and we'll see you in a little while. Here's the cake out of the oven. It looks very fluffy and moist. It smells delicious. So now what we're going to do, we're going to poke holes in the cake to put our pie filling or topping into the cake. And you can use a wooden spoon or plastic spoon, but make sure it's clean. So let's poke some holes. And I didn't let it cool off. You don't really have to let it cool off to put the pie filling in, but certainly I would think you would let it cool off to put the Cool Whip on. So let's go ahead and open up the can of strawberry pie filling. strawberries. Let's pour on high filling strawberries. I could eat these right out of the can. How about yourself? It would be best to have a larger baking pan, but my oven is small. Your oven may be small. You just have to work with what you got, and I got almost this whole can of strawberry filling on. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it sit and cool off. So I'm going to cover it up, and then we'll put some Cool Whip on top and some fresh strawberries. After an hour, it's still a little bit hot, but it's just at the bottom. At the top's kind of warm, not too hot, but we're going to try to put some whipped topping right on top of it. Try to spread it evenly on the whole cake, right on top of those strawberry, you know, the pie filling strawberries. It's gonna have a lot of strawberry, because we still gotta put the real strawberries that I cut and I froze. I'm just gonna throw them right on top. A really thick cake, and you can kind of take some of the strawberry and swirl it around in the Cool Whip, make it a little pretty. You have a little bit of, makes it a little pink. And now we're fixing to put on the strawberries on top. Here we go. So I'm going to have some extra strawberries left, but I did use all the whipped topping. So this is our strawberry shortcake hope cake. Cut us a piece out to try. Let's try this Dolly Parton's perfectly moist vanilla strawberry shortcake hope cake. Ooh, I wish I could send you some cake through the camera. You know, I'm gonna try just the cake itself. There's a little bit of strawberry on it. Okay. That's so moist, and I can tell you why it's very moist, because it had 4 eggs and a cup of milk. Usually you put about 3 eggs in a cake mix and water, but this has got eggs and milk, and it's got butter. So you kind of got more premium ingredients for this cake. It is just super delicious. I'm gonna try with the Cool Whip and the pie filling and the extra strawberry.
Y'all, this is so super delicious. And there's the recipe again for the strawberry shortcake poke cake. And you can use Dolly's cake mix, the Duncan Hines, or you can use any kind of vanilla cake mix you want. But if you want some, you're gonna have to make it. So,
Thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you later.